Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve Los Angeles Times Impossible Sudoku, February 27, 2022. Third row under column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B and column D, 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column F and column G, 9th row and 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column F and column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column E and second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row and second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column D and fifth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and seventh row, we have 6. Column H also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 6. Second row and third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Eighth row and column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 1 and 8. What are the 8 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. First kid, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 7. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 8, 1. Column I, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 1. 10th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 8th row, column B and column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. column B, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H and column I, we have 9. 7th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Seventh row and 5th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8. 6th grid, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Column G also we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 7. 8th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second row and column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Eighth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 9. Column G, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 2. 7th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column H, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column J, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 10th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column D, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. Column C, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the cells. 9th grade, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. Column B and column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6. Column B and column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then only one number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.